So what's up mga guys, today review session physics on solving. I know some of them is identification, like identify the history of something like that, but this is for guys to teach what is the concepts of the physics like that. Yeah, I can adjust this one. There you go. There. We adjust this one. So this is dimensional analysis, where you convert the things into kuan like that. And first, it's 500 centimeters square meters to 1,000 to kilometers per hour. 500 centimeters per second equals to kilometers per hour. So what you're gonna do is you put, can I see it? Maklaro ra. Okay, let's adjust this one. There. So you convert 5,000 centimeters per second here. Diba? This is horizontal. This is horizontal method. We want to make it vertical para sayon siya tan-aon. Make it easier to look. Okay. Like that. Forgot this one. Okay. Like this. I will convert this to kilometers per hours. So what you're gonna do is, cancel the centimeters. I-cancel ang centimeters. Himo na to ni siya kuan. Diba 1 centimeter, ano na to, 1 meter. Yeah, 1,100 centimeters. Na kay meters. What you gonna do left? Convert it into hours. Since wala pa tamaman. Since 1 meters equals to 1,000, 1 kilometers equals to 1,000 meters, you put this one over 1,000 meters. Cancelled. Nanatay seconds. No. Nanatay kilometers. All we need to do is convert these seconds into hours. So this one is 3,600 sec. Ignore na lang akong agi. And you finally get to go. Mana na siya? Calculator. When you put this one, 500 times 1 over 100 times 1 over 1,000. 5 items lang taro makatopo ta. 3,600. You get 180 kilometers per hour. This is for number 1. Number 2, 500 inches to meters. So 500 inches. You convert this one into meters, so that is in every inch there is a centimeter above. Cancel, and then another one. 2.54. You put 100 here and 1 meter here. You cancel this and you solve. It's like, yeah, 500 times 2.54 times 1 over 100. It's 12.7 meters. 3,000 cubic centimeters to meters. Be careful here, ha. Cubic centimeters, so you cube this one. And to convert this one, natay 1 liters equals to 1,000 cubic centimeters. It's either pwede ta mo suwat og ani, pero mas nindot og cubic para kasabot yun ta. This is 1 liters. Understandable na cube and cube is cancelled. And the answer is just simply 3 liters because of the cancellation methods. You know why? Look, ha? 3,000 over 1,000. It's like saying 3 over 1. Mana siya. Box your final answer with a blue ball pen. So, mani siya ang answers. Para maana ta ba? Mani ang forma sa final answer. This is for number 3. Number 4 is 0.2 cubic meters to gallons. 0.2 cubic meters. Cubic meters. Cube. Square. Cube. Square. Cubic. Times to gallons. So, 1 cubic meter is 1,000 liters. So, 1 cubic meter is equals to 1,000 liters. You cancel this and then you multiply to turn it into gallons. So here 3.78541 liters. This is 1 gallon. Cancel na ni si liters, cancel na po ni si liters. You will do this one. 0.02 times 1,000 times 1 over 3.78541. Your answer is 5.28. 2 decimal places daw tana, sir. 2 decimal places mata sa ato ni 0 dire. 5.28 gallons. That's for number 4. Number 5. 300 pounds to kilograms. You just simply can put this like this. 1 pound, 1 pound. This is 0.45352 kg. Bati kay kog agi. 300 times 453,592. 453,592. Your answer is 136.008. 136.08 kg. Basic na ta diri, nag-basic na ta diri kay complex. Giuna na kong complex. Kani kay 720 miles to meters. 720 miles into meters. So you put 1 mile here and this one is 1. Estimate lang ta final answer, always 34 meters. Cancel, cancel, multiply. 720 times 1609.34. 1 million. What was it again? Huy! So the answer is 1,158,000. Sorry. 724.80 Okay, dagag samok. So, asa ta dito? 1,000,080 meters. Kani siya kay sumpay ra ni siya sa number 720. Kaning number 6 ba? Pwede lang ako ni i-copy paste diri. Pero ay na lang. Gusto lang ko masuot. 720 miles 1609.34 over 1 mile. Tarong na ko ning AGB bro balik 1609.34 meters times 1 miles. Cancel 1 kilometer is equals to 1,000 1 kilometer is equals to 1,000 meters. So mao ni siya. Diba mo ni mo nakuha dito na lang kag-divide og 1,000. Na kay 1,158.74 kilometers ay 72 kilometers. Kumbaga sobra na ni kalayo sa usa ka biyahe. Blue man tani ako ikuan pero yeah. 3.5 liters to cubic liters. So 3.5 liters ibutang dire. Ambot 5 ba na or 3 ni. Then pagkahuman ana to cubic centimeters butang kag 1 liter dire, butang kag 1,000 cubic centimeters. Dili na ka necessary mo cube lang ka kung cancellation method na siya. And the answer is 35123. That's 3,500 centimeters cube. Mao ni siya. 525,600 minutes. Ako ni balik-balikon. Dibalik na sad ni 525,600 minutes. And kabaw ko sa usa ka oras na kay 60 minutes. And sa usa ka adlaw na kay 24 oras. Magsige Mani siya 24 hours. Samo kayo. Cancel naman din ni. Na-cancel naman sa ni. Sunod anak kay 525,600 times 1/60 times 1/24. 365. Naatay literal nga 365 days, which is also equivalent to 1 year. Ay, butang na ito kapilido. Days. There you go. 4,700 milliliters to kilometers. Wala na to. Last na ni. 4,750 milliliters. Naatay 1,000 milliliters. Na 1 meter. Nato ni siya ikuan 1,000 meters po dire. O 1 km. Puros cancel. 4,750 times 1/1000. Yeah. Based on ChatGPT ra ni siya 1/1000 na pod. You get 0.004. Ingani nga scenario, kumplituhon na lang ni siya 0.04. kilometers puwerteng gamaya. So maro to guys, ingando ang pag-convert. Para sa iyo na pag-convert no, imagine ko no kung A over B. Para sa yon. Let's say that A will be converted into C. Imong buhaton ana is you put the A here and you put the C here. No. Wrong. I'm sorry for the wrong example. Let's think of it as a simple algebraic expression ha. Let x be your base number. And that x has an A which represents the unit. If simple lang ni siya, then magpa-convert siya into B and you know that A is equals to B. Ang imong buhaton ana, i-multiply siya dire, butangan nimo A dire nya, butangan na nimo B dire. Mana na siya. Therefore, mana imong makuhang unit conversion. I think for sure muhatag ni si sir ang ani nga clues. Ang inyo lang ang pagway sa pag-analyze. Para sa iyo na, para sa iyo ni, mao ni ang answers. Ing ani yon ra siya pag-convert. Last, huna nga kani si XA magpa-convert sa B, ya kabaw ka A is equals to B. Pero kaning magpa-convert na pud siya into another variable, butang tag letter E. Butang tag E. Ya kabaw ka ang B is equals to C, E is equals to D. Ay mo bato na XA. Huna-huna lang god, this is a measurement, the original, the conversion, another conversion. Ay mo bato na you do this process. You put the converted and you put the original, you put the converted. You do the cancellation method. Kabalo kang B pod is equals to C siya. Nakoy nalimtan, C is equals to D. Imong buhaton another variable, imo ibutang dire. This time balihon nimo siya, ang C may nasa babaw, ang B may makancel. Bani siya ana, C left here. Another na pong process hanto na makabot ta sa atong gusto nga letter E. Letter E nga kuan, variables. Ako lang i-simplify ni para masayo ni. Butang tag D nya C dire, cancel na pod. And last, maabot naman ka sa imong gusto nga E. So D nya E. Inganaw na siya pagkuan. Kung mag-overthink lang mo, hunaw na alang nga algebra ni. Pero what if parehas ni sa number 1 akong gihatag? Like this, example, XA-B. Ipa-convert mo siya into something like this. A equals B, B is equals to C, like that. Pero ang imong gikinahanglan man kay is C over B. Example let's think nga mao ni ang meter, something like that. Magbot-bot na lang ko, pero mao ni ang concepts gyapon. You put the X, i-vertical nimo aron dili ka maglisod og ganahon. Ay mong gusto kay CB man. CB man imong gusto. Mo focus lang ta sa kuan. Di ba niya ko B is equals to C. Erase it tabi. C is equals to B. Ay mong gusto kay C over B. Huna nga makuha ning C over B, nga magkuan ka sa B. Let's stop for a while.